To start things off, you should go to this popular website called typingtest.com. You can type the URL or just search for typing test on Google. It'll be the first result to come up. You're going to come up to this page where it shows different tests to check your typing speed. You can choose a 1-minute test, 2-minute test, 3-minute test, or 5-minute test, along with the difficulty of words to type, such as easy, medium, hard, and tricky. To stay on the basic side, click on the 1-minute test, and I want you to click on the medium word difficulty. Click the Start Test button right here, and then, as you can see here, it directs you to the actual typing test where there are sentences, and under each line is a blank space where you'll type on your own. They have a timer on the left side for 1 minute, meaning 60 seconds, and they're going to measure how fast you can type. You can start typing at any single time, and at the moment you type the first word, that is when the timer will begin. You can try it right now, and after the time runs out, they're going to show you how fast your typing speed is. On this website, when you click on typing practices or typing courses, they can even offer you a free course and free training to help you type faster or double your typing speed. The reason why I show you this typing test is that you'll use your typing skills on a few websites that can help you make money online just by typing. And the faster you type, the more money you can make. So on the typing course tab, you can go through different trainings. Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, and more. They're absolutely free and can help you type faster on your phone or on your computer. After that, I want to show you some websites where you can make money online by simply typing. The first website I want to show you that can help you make even more money online is Rev.com. They are fully operating in any country in the world, so if you're from the United States, Canada, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Philippines, Pakistan, or anywhere in the world, you can join this opportunity. When you go on to Rev.com and go to the homepage of the website, you can scroll down and you're going to see that transcription pays $1.25 per minute. Transcription means that you'll watch a video and write or transcribe the script of the words being said in the video. At the current rate of $1.25 per minute, that is already a great deal, because if we go to the online calculator and type 1.25, that's for 1 minute. But if we transcribe a video for 60 minutes or 1 hour, you can earn $75. If you work for another hour, you're guaranteed $150 for 2 hours of work, $300 for 4 hours, and up to $750 if you have very great determination to transcribe a lot of videos that adds up to 10 hours. Rev.com is a very legit and real company. They've been trusted by over 170,000 customers from all over the world from many different industries. Aside from transcription, they also provide captioning at $1.50 per minute and foreign subtitles at $3 to $7 per minute. So if you're from a foreign country, for example, if you're an Indonesian and know how to speak Bahasa or Javanese, or if you speak other languages like Spanish or Japanese, you can get a job by putting subtitles on videos from English to other languages and vice versa. If you're completely new and you don't know any foreign languages, I would recommend you start with the video transcription tasks. To move on to the registration process, when you scroll down to the very bottom of this website, you'll see a button that says Become a Freelancer. Click on this button and you're going to come up to this page, as you can see here. Freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. As I've said earlier, you can earn money by transcribing or captioning from home. It's a very flexible work schedule and you can choose from hundreds of jobs that you want. You can get paid weekly, every single week, and you can receive your money on a tie. Rev.com is very dependable, so to create an account, just put in your first name, your last name, your email, and the position, which is transcriptionist, and you can choose your country from the list. Then just go ahead and click on the next button right here. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you an opportunity to show your love for the channel by liking this video and subscribing to us. If you've watched the video up to this point, maybe you've observed this video to be fascinating and enlightening, so kindly leave a comment below. Back to the video. Another website that you can join for absolutely free is transcribeme.com. This website is similar to Rev.com because there's transcription, translation, and also data annotation. Again, I want you to focus on the transcription. To start, click on this Join Today button right here, and then you're going to come up on this page. You don't need to look for any projects because they come to you, meaning they have hundreds and hundreds of job opportunities where you can type in and make money online. You can find projects that pay you more money than you can transcribe whenever and wherever you want. You can work as much or as little as you like, and the best thing about this website is that sometimes they just want to offer you 2 to 4 minute clips. Those are just short videos that you can just sit down and use your phone to start transcribing. To register, just input the basics: your name and your email address. You should put your real email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link that you need to activate your account. And sometimes they'll even send you some job offers through your email. Then you can put in your password and confirm your password. Next, put in your PayPal email address so they can send you the payment. There's also a country section, your state, time zone, preferred language, gender, employment status, and then for the transcription language, you can choose from English, Chinese, or Mandarin. They also need your phone number and your Skype number. So just check this I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy box. And lastly, just click on the Create a Profile button and you're all set. Make sure you check your email again because they're going to send you verification details to your inbox. Just a tip: it's very important for you to improve your typing speed because sometimes they're going to ask you what your typing speed is. This is where you can take a typing test. And once you complete a test, you can make a screenshot of the report and you can send them an email saying this is your typing speed, and that's how they can approve you for more job opportunities. Sometimes, if you type very slowly, they're not going to accept you. If you are indeed slow, you can take some free courses I've mentioned on this website to improve or even double your typing speed so you can be accepted for more job opportunities and make money over and over again. And that's it for today's video.